This is Mamuni. Thank you so much for being Amar Baba.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss why all transactions are events, but all events are not transactions. And I'm also going to discuss how to prepare some more journal entries logically by applying the 3 golden rules of accounting. So let's get started. চলো শুরু করা যাক। So first আমরা initially rough করব। So what is the first transaction? On 1st April 2022, Ravina invites her friend Pooja to a dinner. Ravina invites her friend Pooja to a dinner. There is no amount. Is this a transaction? No. This is not a transaction. So we won't be recording any journal entry for this. Actually, this is not a transaction. Okay, we will write only what? We will write no journal entry will be passed for 1st April because this is not a transaction. Okay, this cannot be measured in terms of money. This is just an event. What are events? There are 2 types of events. One is economic events, another one is non-economic events. Economic events are known as transactions. Economic events are known as transactions because economic events can be measured in terms of money. But non-economic events cannot be measured in terms of money. There is no money value attached in non-economic events. Okay, so all events are not transactions. Only economic events are transactions. But all transactions are events because all transactions are economic events. So all economic events are transactions. So all transactions are events. But all events are not transactions. Only economic events are transactions. And what are transactions? Transactions are economic events which we record in the journal because event which are economic in nature can be measured in terms of money. Non-economic events cannot be measured in terms of money. See, Ravina invites her friend Pooja to a dinner. There is no amount. This cannot be measured in terms of money. There is no money value attached. So no journal entry will be passed for this one. Okay, this has been given to confuse you. So you have to write in the journal on 1st April, no journal entry will be passed because this is not a transaction. Understood? So all transactions are events, but all events are not transactions because transaction means economic events. Okay? All transactions are events, but all events are not transactions. Only transactions, events which are measured in terms of money are transaction, that is economic events. This is a non-economic event. So this cannot be measured in terms of money. Okay? Clear? So let's do the second one. On 2nd April 2022, received commission 4,000. So what are the 2 accounts? First we got to identify. So দুটো account কি? First one is commission received account. And the second one is cash account. Since amount is given, so this is cash. So commission received account falls under nominal account. And cash always falls under real account. We are receiving, the businessman, the proprietor receiving commission. That means what? According to nominal account, all incomes and gains credit. তো যখন বিজনেসম্যান বা প্রোপ্রাইটার কমিশন পাচ্ছে কি হচ্ছে? দিস ইজ অ্যান ইনকাম অর গেন. সো অ্যাকর্ডিং টু nominal account, what? All incomes and gains credit. So commission received account should be credited. Cash account falls under real account. যখন তুমি কমিশন পাচ্ছ কি হচ্ছে? যে প্রোপ্রাইটার কমিশন পাচ্ছে কি হচ্ছে? Cash is coming in. So according to real account, what comes in is debit. Easy. Paid commission, just the opposite. one is commission account, another is cash account. So what are the two accounts? Two account ki একটা commission paid account, and another is cash account. When the businessman pays commission, ki hoy? Commission falls under nominal account. So according to nominal account, all losses and expenses debit. Ekhane this is an expense. Paid commission means ki loss and expense. This is a loss or expense of the businessman. So commission paid account should be debited, because we know according to nominal account, all losses and expenses debit. Clear? আর যখন বিজনেসম্যান বা প্রোপ্রাইটার পেমেন্ট করছে কি হচ্ছে, টাকা চলে যাচ্ছে। অ্যাকর্ডিং টু রিয়েল অ্যাকাউন্ট what goes out is credit. So when you're paying commission, cash goes out. So cash account should be credited. Clear? So let's do the fourth transaction. 6th April, receive discount. So discount account, discount receive account, one will be discount receive account. What are the two accounts? First we got to identify. One will be discount receive account, another will be cash account. So discount receive account always falls under nominal account. And cash falls under real account. So when the businessman receives commission, according to nominal account, all incomes and gains credit. Discount receive kora money gain, it's an income. So according to nominal account, all incomes and gains credit. So discount receive account should be credited. And when you are receiving, when the businessman or the proprietor receiving discount, it is in cash. So cash is coming in. So cash account falls under real account. According to real account, cash comes in debit. রিমেম্বার যখন ডিসকাউন্ট পাচ্ছে বিজনেসম্যান বা প্রোপ্রাইটার কী হচ্ছে, ডিসকাউন্টটা আসছে। ডিসকাউন্ট রিসিভ এখন অলওয়েজ পড়ছে কার আন্ডারে? নমিনাল অ্যাকাউন্টে। নমিনাল অ্যাকাউন্টে আমরা জানি অল ইনকাম অ্যান্ড গেনস ক্রেডিট। তাহলে ডিসকাউন্ট রিসিভ হচ্ছে ইনকাম একটা, গেন বা ইনকাম, সুতরাং এটাকে ক্রেডিট করতে হবে। যখন আমি ডিসকাউন্ট রিসিভ পাচ্ছি, আমি কিসে পাচ্ছি? ক্যাশে পাচ্ছি। ক্যাশ ফলস আন্ডার রিয়েল অ্যাকাউন্ট। সো হোয়াট comes in is debit. So cash account should be debited. Clear? The last one is paid discount on 10th April. So discount allowed account. এখানে আমরা ডিসকাউন্ট পেড লিখব না, ডিসকাউন্ট allowed. Okay? And another will be cash account. Discount allowed always falls under nominal account. Please remember. Discount received, discount allowed always falls under nominal account. Cash account falls under real account. When the businessman allows discount, what happens? This is a loss. কাউকে বিক্রি করছে কম দামে, কিছু ডিসকাউন্ট দিয়ে। So this is a loss or an expense of the businessman. So discount allowed falls always under nominal account. According to nominal account, all losses and expenses debit. So discount allowed account should be debited because it's a loss for the business. Okay? And তুমি যখন কিছু ক্যাশ কম দিচ্ছ, কি হচ্ছে? লস হচ্ছে, ক্যাশ চলে যাচ্ছে। তাহলে ক্যাশ অ্যাকাউন্ট falls under real account. So according to real account, what goes out is credit, because কম দামে বিক্রি করছো, ক্যাশ কমে যাচ্ছে। So what goes out is credit. Okay? Now let's record the transactions in fair or in the journal. What is the first transaction? See, on 1st April, Ravina invites her friend Pooja to a dinner. So no journal entry will be passed for this. In bracket we'll write no journal entry will be passed because this is not a transaction. Okay, this should be in a bracket. What is the second transaction? See, on 2nd April, received commission 4,000. Commission receive account credit, cash account debit. Let's do it. Cash account debit to commission received account. Commission received account. What is the amount? See, 4,000. 4,000. Okay. What is the third transaction? Paid commission on 5th April 2000. Commission paid debit, cash account credit. April 5th. Commission paid account. Paid account debit to cash account, being commission paid. Oh, I forgot to write the narration. Being commission received, being commission paid. How much is the amount? Let's see. 2,000. See. $2,000. Okay. What is the fourth transaction? See, discount received credit, cash account debit, received discount 3,000. Okay. So April 6th. Cash account debit to discount received account. How much? See, 3,000. Let me write down the narration. Being discount received, what is the last transaction? See, paid discount 1,000, discount allowed, debit, cash account credit on 10th April. Let's do it. 10th April, discount allowed debit, discount allowed account debit to cash account. How much? 1,000. So what is the total? 10,000. Okay. So here's the journal. Ready? Understood? Clear? Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your precious time. I hope this was useful. And before I fade out, let me tell you, don't be a second-rate version of someone else. Be the best version of you, because no one is born to represent you. Always remember, you are special with a capital S. And don't let the words of others discourage you. Remember, everybody does not have a fan club. Be your own cheerleader. And don't stop believing in yourself. And mark my words, one day you'll be unstoppable. So be the best in whatever you do. Bye-bye.